So guys, there is one more unboxing that we have not done, and that is another Apple Watch Ultra. Now this one is going to come out a little bit late, and the reason being is we have just picked up the Apple Watch Ultra in the titanium color. Now why have I picked up in titanium color? Well, my iPhone 17 Pro Max is in silver, and I actually returned my black colored Apple Watch Ultra 3, and I thought let's this year go with the titanium. I had the Ultra 1 in titanium, Ultra 2 in both titanium and in the color black, and then obviously this year I decided to go back to titanium because hey, we just want to match everything going on. So let's get straight into unboxing the Ultra 3 in titanium. So you guys know how the unboxing is. Apple keep it very short and simple. We've got the Apple Watch Ultra 3 49mm with the light blue alpine loop. So I kept it the same loop as what my Apple Watch Ultra 3 was. I'm just trying to hide the serial number as much as I can. But Apple's unboxing experience is always an amazing one. And as you can tell, we can see the Apple Watch Ultra little envelope they give us. Here's the Apple Watch Ultra itself. Nice little colour. And then obviously we've got our alpine loop. So the alpine loop we've already seen. There's not much really to see in it. If you haven't seen my last video, you know exactly what it looks like. But let's look at the Apple Watch Ultra 3. And simple as it, pull in the two tabs. And it's a simple matter of turning Apple Watch Ultra 3 around. And there you go. We have our lovely Apple Watch Ultra 3. And if we look into around the watch, we can see it is a beautiful piece. And if we lifted this up, this has got the little Apple Watch MagSafe. And all I need to do is just figure out where from here, and there you go. Here's the Apple Watch Ultra 3, and it just looks magnificent. And you can see the bezels. They're really small compared to what they used to be. So really excited to be trying the Apple Watch Ultra 3, and we're going to have some tests available over the next couple of weeks. So there you go. There you have it, Apple Watch Ultra 3.